Every programming language has its own way of saying hello world. But did you know the way Go does it actually tells a lot about how powerful and simple the language is? Let's write a first Go program and see why. First, open your code editor. I'm using VS Code in my case. After that, create a folder, let's say name 01 hello, and inside that folder, create a Go file named as main.go. In Go, every program starts with something called the main package. So naming the file as main.go is a good convention. Now let's type this code. Package main. So this is the entry point of the program. This statement tells Go that this is the entry point of the program. Okay. And after this, write import fmt. Basically, we are importing a library, an inbuilt library, which we'll be using to display text on the terminal later on in the program. And after that, write the main function. So this is how we declare the functions in Go. Write func and then main and then curly braces on and off. Within the main function, write the code which you want to execute. So I'll be writing fmt.println hello world. Now let's run this Go program. For running, I'll start a new terminal and I will cd to this directory, and over here I will say go run. This is how we run any Go program, by typing in go run and then name of the Go file. So I'll type in over here go run main.go and then hit enter. And over here we see hello world. Congratulations, we have written our first Go program. In the next video, we'll be talking about variables. Till then, write down in the comment section by saying that I have written my first Go program and keep moving forward.